I first got involved with the Rocktown Rollers, I think it was February of 2018. I lived on campus at the time. One of my friends came in and she was like, I was just at Benny's and I got this flyer for a roller derby team. She was like, I know you like roller skating, come with me. So we went and I haven't stopped since.
It's great camaraderie. Everyone's like watching you even while they're doing things and they're telling you like get lower or like do this different, or they'll like skate up to you real quick and like give you a quick pointer, and it's really helpful and it's really fun.
When I first started skating, I just felt like a JMU student. With skating here, I've met friends from all walks of life. Some are parents and some are actually professors. So getting to interact with them, I feel like I built a really close group of friends.
I didn't really know anyone else, but everyone was so helpful and like ready to come and help and show you like the best way to do things.
I love how Rocktown Rollers gives back to the community because everyone here is a piece of the community. So giving back to places like Cat's Cradle and the other charities that we do is just really awesome and really important to me.
Rocktown Rollers has helped me get out of my comfort zone by forcing me to make decisions and make them quick and be like a part of the action that's going on.